Hello boys, welcome to the video. So last week was good week and let's talk about it. So we was analysis this pairs last week and I was looking to this pair here. I was go to the 1 hour and I was looking for the break, the retest, and I was want to go to the downside, but here as you guys can see it didn't come and didn't retest how I was wanted, so I didn't take this trade. This one I was take here, this trade I was take, but I lost this one, which is no big deal. This was very good trade, and here when the price come again here, I was looking for my head and shoulder pattern, left shoulder head, and this was the right shoulder, and I was looking for the break. I was looking for the break, the retest of this head and shoulder pattern and go to the downside, but it didn't give me the retest, so for that reason I missed this trade also, and I didn't take and look at this. It's just go to the downside. This trade also I miss it. A lot of trade I missed this week. This was also left shoulder, right head in the right shoulder. It was the break, and this was the retest here, but there was like this was 6 a.m. in that time I'm sleeping and it's not even London session, so I didn't take this trade also. I missed this one. This trade I take here with this bullish engulfing candlestick. I take this trade here and I put my stop loss here. I just target this highs. I was want to target like 1:2 until here, like 1:2, but for because it was Friday tomorrow, so for that reason I close, and after I close tomorrow when it was Friday, I see the price it just go to the downside, so this was a good win. This trade also, it was really nice trade. I didn't take this trade also. I was this was the last week line. I was put it like this. I was want to price break, retest, and go to the downside. We break, we come back to retest, but after that the market closed. So this is the next week pair. I think I will look for that. This one I was want to price come here and go to the downside. It come, the price come here, but the market become closed, so I didn't take this trade also. This one also I was want to go to the downside in this trade, so break, retest, and here I was want to take this trade, but the market was closed. So this, I think this will be the next week pairs I will show you. This trade I was want to go to the upside, Euro JPY, and it just do like this, boom, it go to the downside, then it come back upside, the break, it come back, retest this area of interest, and I was want to go to the upside, but the market become close. So this is, I think this will be also my next week pair. So let's talk about my next week pair, and I will give the free signal in my Telegram. In this signal it will be not like the last time, just I was looking for the pair and I was do like message that we are looking for the break and retest in my entry signal, but no, this time I will just give you the right and the accurate like signal, like when I want to take this trade, like I want to go to the upside, I want to take this trade, I will show you guys that take this trade, put your stop loss here like 37 pips, and put your target like 163.937, like accurate trade. I will give you a signal. So let's go to the next week pairs. Okay guys, so for next week we have a lot of pairs. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 pairs. So the first one is AUD CAD. AUD CAD, if we come to the weekly is currently bearish. I'm not gonna explain anymore the structure because I was make structure videos. If you don't know, just go watch that video and you will know how the market structure works. So the weekly is bearish, the daily is also bearish. We are in this range, we are coming to the weekly in the daily area of interest. We will reject this point and we will go to the downside. In the 4 hour we are currently bearish, so we have 3 time frame in sync, which is very good. So we will come here, we will look for some kind of rejection candlestick, and we will look for this kind of engulfing candlestick to the downside, like this kind of rejection and this kind of engulfing, and we will take this trade to the downside, put our stop loss above this wick and target like this structure points down. So we will like gain 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, it depends the on the market structure. The next one is Euro USD. So in Euro USD, we are currently in the weekly, we are so bullish. We come to the to this point that we have 1 2 and 3 rejection candlestick to the downside, and we have this kind of interesting pattern. We broke and we will just wait for the retest of the neckline to go to the downside. This is head and shoulder pattern, and this is very powerful. So we have already rejected this point. If you go to the 1 hour, as you guys can see, this is big rejection, but again I want to come again to this point, this area, and I will look for this kind of engulfing candlestick. So whenever we have engulfing candlestick in the area of interest, we are going to the downside. If we have bullish engulfing candlestick like here, bullish engulfing candlestick, so we go to the upside. And here I want to come to this area and give me some kind of indication, entry signal. So I will take this trade. This was the last week trade. So the weekly is bullish, the daily is also bullish, and we want the price to come to this weekly and daily area of interest to go to the upside. In the 4 hour, we are very nice and very bullish. So this I want to this price come back here down, and here I will look for this kind of pattern, and I will look for the break of the head and shoulder pattern, and I will look for my entry signal. It's so easy, it's so simple. The next one is GBP USDC. So we are currently bullish in weekly, and we have this 1 2 3 rejection candlestick, and this is also interesting because this is also head and shoulder pattern. We broke, and I will look for the broke in the retest of the head and shoulder. In the 4 hour, if we go, we already broke this point, but I want to, we broke again this point down of this structure point. We come back, we will retest this area of interest, we will come, we will retest also this EMA like here, like this. We will retest this EMA and we will go to the downside. This is also so interesting and nice trade. So this was GBP USD, and this one is GBP CHF. This is also in the weekly we are bearish, in the daily we are also bearish, and we are coming to this, sorry guys, we are coming to this weekly and daily area of interest. So this is very nice point. We will come here in the 4 hour, it's bullish. So we have 2 time frame in sync. The weekly is bearish, the daily is bearish, and the 4 hour is bullish. So we just need 2 time frame in sync. And here, when we come here, we will reject this EMA, the daily EMA. We will have some kind of rejection, and we have engulfing candlestick, so we will go to the downside. This one is also GBP pair, and this is also I am looking for the short. So in the weekly we are bullish, in the daily we are bearish, and we are coming to this area of interest. In the 4 hour we are also bearish from this point and this point, and we are coming to this area of interest. Here I will again look for shift of structure like this in head and shoulder pattern, in the break, the retest, in my entry signal, which is the engulfing candlestick. This one we are bearish in the weekly because of this point and this point. So we didn't close below this point, or we didn't broke above this point, so it means we are bearish in this market. The daily we are also bearish, and we are coming to this weekly and daily area of interest. In the 4 hour is also bearish, so we will come here, and I will look here also for the head and shoulder pattern. Guys, in every market you need to look for the head and shoulder pattern, and you need to look for your entry signal. This one in ZD, Euro in ZD. So the weekly is bullish, and we have this kind of nice rejection candlestick to the upside. In the daily is also bullish. This was the bullish engulfing candlestick, and after that the 4 hour is also bullish. So this price, I want to come here to this area of interest and go to the upside. Here I will look for my shift of structure, my entry signal. CAD JPY, we are bullish in the weekly. In the daily, we are also bullish from this point, and we are bullish from these 2 points. So in these 2 points, I will look the price to come to this daily area of interest to go to the upside. In the 4 hour, I will look for the head and shoulder pattern, and I will also look for this EMA to reject like this. So this is a really nice pair. This one, we are currently bearish in this market, but guys, you need to know that if we are bearish, we need this pullback. So in this pullback, we will take trades to the upside. So the weekly is bearish, the daily is currently bullish from this point because we close to the upside. In the 4 hour, we are also bullish. So if we come here, the 4 hour will become bearish, and here I will look for the head and shoulder pattern like this for the retest to go to the upside. So in here, when it's coming to the downside here, the 4 hour will become bearish, but when we go to the upside, it will become bearish. I will wait for it. This one, which is AUD JPY, so we have this massive move to the downside, and we have 1 2 3 4, and this is 4 candlestick to the upside, which is the pullback, and here we have some kind of bearish indication. So it means this price will go to the downside. In the daily is also bearish. We are in the nice spot, which is the daily area of interest. In the 4 hour, we are bullish. So here I will again look for this head, this right shoulder, the break, the retest, and here I will look for my engulfing. I will take this trade, put my stop loss here or here, it depends. I will send signal in my free telegram. So guys, go see my free telegram, join it, because you will have massive you will catch nice and massive moves. See you guys in the next video. Please like, subscribe and comment. Bye.